Now is it okay, beta? Is it creating any problem now? Now everything okay now? Okay. I took time to just adjust this one. Now okay. Okay, fine. Super. We'll start, beta. We'll start. Kanishka, hi, beta. Now look here. Next question. What will be exactly the question given here is two coins are tossed simultaneously. Since exactly two coins are tossed together, what is the probability of getting at least one head? So what is the probability of getting at least one head? What we have to do here is probability of getting at least one head. To get one head, what we have to do here is at least one. One means at least one means one and more than one. At least one means one and more than one. So here how many are there? So at least one head it is written. So here two head, this, all the three will be included. All the three will be included. So it is exactly going to come as HH, HT and TH. Okay, HH, HT and TH. HH, HT and TH. So now what we have to do here is we have to get the numbers. So what is the number of sample space? The total number of sample space is coming as 4. What is the number of event coming? The number of event coming is 3. So event coming is considered as 3. So what we have to do? So probability of getting the event is coming as 3 by 4. Probability of getting the event is coming as 3 by 4. Absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next question, please? Shall we go for the next question? Okay. Over. Is the video clear now? Now, next question is two coins are tossed simultaneously 100 times. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. How many times? 1000 times. Okay. How many times it is tossed? 1000 times it is tossed. So now what they are telling that with the following frequency of different outcome. So what are the frequency of outcomes? Two heads are coming. Two heads are coming 210 times. One head is coming. One head is coming. And no head is coming. No head is coming. So one head is coming 550 times. One head is coming 550 times. And no head is coming 240 times. And no head is coming 240 times. Okay. Find the probability of getting. So two coins are tossed simultaneously. So first important thing is if two coins are exactly tossed simultaneously, and in that what they are telling that find the probability of getting. Find the probability of getting two tails find the probability of getting at least one tail find the probability of getting no tails. 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 Now tell me how to solve this question. Quickly say the answer here. Try this question out. What will be the answer? Problem in quality in picturize. First answer 6. A 1.6 by 25. How can it be possible? Decimal answer is coming. Keshav, it's not possible. 6 by 25. Okay, first answer is 6 by 25. Okay, I got it. First answer is coming as 6 by 25. Second one, tell. 6 by 25. Probability of getting one head 6 by 25. Super Darshu, your mind is blasting? My mind already gone today. I am already out of track today. Okay. Keshav, second answer is 79 by 18. Okay. Next, anyone else? Yes, we have practice. I have already given you practice for these type of questions. Now look here. First thing is that how many times the total sample space. What is the total sample space here? What is the total sample space here? The total sample space here is 1000. Total sample space here is 1000. Just 1 minute. I want to know what is the problem. Total sample space here is 1000. So if Tosa Naresh is telling the answer, total sample space is coming here as 1000. Okay. Now is the screen clear now? Total sample space is coming as 1000. Then 2 heads means the times 2 times head is coming. When 2 times head is coming, it is coming as 210. Means how many times 2 heads are coming? 2 heads are coming 210 times. 1 head means 1 head 1 tail is coming as 550 times. Okay. And then 2 tails are coming 240 times. If we are adding it, it should give 1000. If we are adding it, it should give 1000. So here 210, 240, 550, 0, 0, 5 to 6, here 10, 100, 1000 is coming. So now first part is find the probability of getting 2 tails. So find the probability of getting 2 tails means first one is exactly easy, because here we don't have to do big things. Here only we have to exactly write the formula, and based on formula we have to solve. That is, the formula is nothing but probability of getting the event will be equal to NE by NS. Probability of getting the event is equal to NE by NS. Now beta, what is the event? Getting 2 tails. So how many times event is coming? Event of getting 2 tails, E1 is event of getting 2 tails. Event of getting 2 tails, getting 2 tails. So event of getting 2 tails. So one for event of getting 2 tails is coming as, how many times 2 tails are coming? See, no head means 2 tails. You have to remember one thing, no head means 2 tails. No head means what? No head means 2 tails. Probability of getting no head means 2 tails. So here it is going to be no head, here is 240 times no head is coming. 240 times no head means it is going to be 1000 is there. So this 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here it is going to be 50. Then 2 6 are 12 by 25. So answer is going to be 6 by 25. So first answer is exactly going to be 6 by 25. 6 by 25 is the correct answer. First answer. Hello Ashif, Arif. Hello beta. Good evening. Good evening Arif. We are doing probability right now beta. So exactly what is coming here is the probability of getting 2 tails. 2 tails means कि when you throw a coin, so exactly you will have 2 possibility, either getting a head or a tail. But when you throw 2 what you call, one coins two times, then one time it can come tail, one time it can come head, one time it can come, then total 4 probabilities will be there. Then there total 4 possibilities, probability I am saying, total 4 possibilities will be there. What will be the 4 possibilities? Head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. So these are the 4 possibilities. Okay, now this 4 possibilities is taken as 2 to the power. So how many times you are exactly throwing the dice? So dice I am saying, throwing the coin, you are throwing the coin 2 times. So it is total possibilities or total sample space coming here is 4. The total sample space is exactly coming here as 4. Okay, now same way, if three coins will be exactly coins will be exactly tossed together, then it will be exactly going to come as 8 possibilities. Means me, Keshav and Vishal, we 3 are having 3 different coins and we started tossing. So once we started tossing, exactly what happened, first time we both got head, then 2 of us get head, 1 got tail, then among us again 1 tail, 2 head, now tail head head, now head tail tail, now head tail, so these are exactly 8 possibilities. So since 8 possibilities are coming, so sample space will become 8. So what we have seen here is coin formula I have given you. If you remember, I have given you a coin formula. In that coin formula, I have very nicely explained that ki how many number of coins are there or how many times a coin you are tossing together and taking the outcome, that will come in the power. So a coin is having 2 faces. One face will be written as head, another one will be having tail. So now these 2 faces are there, so it will have 2. How many times you are exactly going to toss the coin, it will be written on the power. So number of times tossing coin, number of times tossing coin, or number of coins tossed, number of coins tossed. So if 3 numbers of coins will be there, if 3 coins are there and tossed like me, Vishal and Keshav, then we are exactly going to have total how many outcomes? 8 outcomes. Means 8 total possibilities. 8 total possibilities. Let's check this one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 possibilities. So now I am asking one simple question. If we are having 10 coins, then what is the total sample space? If we are having 10 coins, then what is the total sample space? If we are having 10 coins, what is the total? Is it okay? Is it visible? Yes. What is the meaning of full buffering or half buffering? You tell me. Full buffering and half buffering. It's buffering means buffering. It's disturbing my class today. Seriously. So what is the total sample space? It is exactly going to come as 2 to the power 10. That is 1024. So total sample space coming here will be 2 to the power 10. That is 1024 will be coming. Fine. Hi Sundaram. Ashwin, you are angry. Good. You are angry, at least you can show your anger. At least you can show your anger and say, I don't like this. I can't show that also. Problem is, now look here. So here in this question, what is given to you, whatever is there, we have to fix with that only. No other work left. So the first question, what is the answer is 6 by 25. The first question answer is 240. Was it exactly 240? 240 by 1000 was there. Now second is find the probability of getting at least one tail. Find the probability of getting at least one tail. At least one tail. So at least one tail means one and more than one. One and more than one. One and more than one. So here one and more than one is coming here. One and more than one is here. At least one means one and more than one. If someone will be telling you how many chocolates you like to eat one time, then you will say at least one means you can take one and more than one. How many is there? There is no limitation of that. Okay, so that means you can take one and more than one. There you can say that I can take one and more than one. Means how many is there, that is there is no limitation. So here also total maximum is two tails and here at least one. So that means we have to add these two together. That is 550 and 240 together added. So 790 is coming. Okay, so probability event of getting at least probability of buffering is half. Wow, super. Nice brain applied, sir. If this brain we are going to apply in solving question, it will be better. Now tell me fast, understood this one or not? I have to adjust everything today. Am I visible? No, okay. Am I visible to you today? Fine, tell me the answer. Probability, no issues. Okay, fine. Anti-blur, still blur. What to do here? Tell me. So now, second answer. I am already in so good state today. Now look here. Second is probability of getting even 2 is 790 by 1000. So it is going to come as 79 by 100. Second one answer is coming as 79 by 100. Is it okay? 79 by 100. 79 by 100 is okay. Yeah, it's less than 1. Now next question is, what is the probability of getting no tails? No tails means you are not going to get any tail. Over. Unable to see also. Probability of getting no tail. Visible, yeah. Kanishka. Either light is creating problem and I am unable to read your comments, huh? Tell me. Hi Vishal. Good evening Vishal. Solve the question Vishal. So exactly no tail is coming. No tail means all head. So exactly it is going to come as probability of getting third event is coming as 210 by 1000. 210 by 1000, that is 21 by 100. What is happening here? I had to tell you some very important parts in this chapter and I'm struggling a lot to teach today. Now understood? Understood anything or it went out of your brain? Nothing we have to do. First I have to clear this screen. It is creating lots of fuss. Now look here. Next question is, see, last concept was exactly given. What was given? That you have 2 coins in your hand and you have to toss the coin. Like every time you are tossing a coin, na, head means my call, tail means your call, like that you are playing na. So here also 2 coins will be there. Then I told you na ki when 1 coin you are going to toss, then there will be total 2 possibilities. When 2 coin you are going to toss, then 4 possibilities are there. Like me and Keshav, we both are playing, and one time I am tossing the coin, one time you are tossing the coin. So exactly what is happening here is ki once we are tossing the coins, then I got head and he got tail, he got tail, I got head, and we both got tail, and then one time I got head, he got tail. So that means what? We both are playing, and at the time of playing, one time head tail, like that game is going on. So total 4 possibilities are there. Total how many possibilities are there? Total 4 possibilities are there. In the same way, auntie, please keep tomorrow morning class. Kanishka, now class is not 8 o'clock. Seriously, I'm gone today. Okay, next question. At least one more question solve. At least one more question solve. Kanishka, agreed. Tomorrow morning I'll be present, 5 o'clock for you. But only one case, you also have to be present. 5 o'clock morning class or 6 o'clock? Toss simultaneously 200 times. So 3 coins are there, and you are tossing it 200 times, not 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 o'clock, yes. I'll be present 5 o'clock. Wait, I'll be present 5 o'clock morning. So, with following frequency of different outcome, with following frequency of different outcome, with following frequency of 16 different outcome, 6 o'clock, Jiva. I will not go, I am not going to wake up 5. If I am going to wake up 5, how I am going to take class at 6? No. 6 o'clock, okay. 6 o'clock, agreed. 5 o'clock means I have to wake up 4 o'clock. So 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times. Okay. The following frequencies of different outcome, what and all are there is 3 heads, like head together is going to be 23. 2 heads means 2 heads with 1 tail is going to be 72 times. 1 head means 2 tail, 1 head is going to come as 77. No head means all tails. It is going to come in 28 times. So now what is the question given there is, fine Jiva, 6 o'clock, sharp 6 o'clock. If I am 5 minutes late means, okay fine, adjust 5 minutes. But 6 o'clock I'll try, Find the probability of getting 3 heads. Probability of getting 3 heads. 3 heads. First one is getting 3 heads. Second, 2 heads. Third one, at least 2 heads. I have another class. Mridul, hello ma'am and sorry for absent on your class. कहाँ थी Mridul? Where were you? Classes are there. It is there. You want, it's already recorded Mridul. So whatever doubts you will be having, you can ask me in community post, or you can ask me in Instagram or Telegram, wherever you want. All the channels are there. You can contact me Mridul. Whatever question doubts will be there, when you will be seeing the video, you can directly contact me. Means directly means you post your doubts in Instagram or Telegram. I'll be clearing your question doubts. Okay, I'll clear your doubt, don't worry. Today 12th class is not there, Mridul. Tomorrow it will be there. Today some test is there for them, so I didn't keep the class. First answer is coming as 23 by 200. Okay, fine. Rahul, Keshav, Ekta, Rahul, Kanishka, Jiva, Rahul, Keshav. Rest others are hibernating or sleeping. Okay, Mridul, no problem, Mridul. Just see the videos and whatever doubts will be there, you just contact me. I'll be clearing your doubts. Fine. You just post me question doubts. No problem. Just send me in Instagram or Telegram. I'll clear your doubts. Just send me, no problem. Fine. Whatever queries are there, just contact me. I'll clear your queries bit. I'll try my level best. Now look here. 3 heads are there. So what is the probability of getting first itself is 3 heads. So where are the 3 heads? The 3 heads are here. 23. So probability of getting 3 heads are exactly going to be 23 by total number of sample space is given as 200. That means a coin is tossed how many times? 200 times. Since the coin is tossed 200 times, sample space is coming as 200. So it is exactly going to become 23 by 200. 23 by 200. Okay, now 2 heads. Now 2 heads. So when 2 heads you are talking about, so here 2 heads means 1 tail. So when directly their Instagram ID is there in the community post. Okay, I'll Instagram ID is there in the community post. I'll one time also send it. Okay, today I'll send it one more time after class. Fine, after class Instagram post I am going to send Mridul. If you want, you can contact me there. Huh? Second is 2 heads. So 2 heads means here 72 by 200. 72 by 200. Now third is at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means 2 and more than 2. At least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means 2 and more than 2. Come on, at least 2 heads means 2 and more than 2. So here this we cannot take. This we cannot take because here no heads are there. Here only 1 head is there. If I am going to tell you that I can take only, I can eat at least 2 chocolates, means I can take 2 and more than 2. 2 is my initial phase. After that I can take many chocolates, whatever, how much I will be wishing, I will eat that chocolates. So that means at least 2 heads means 2 and more than 2. At least 2 heads means 2 and more than 2. So here 2 is coming and more than, means our limitation is 3 only, because maximum 3 heads are there. So what we are going to do here is, this part is going to come as 23 plus 72. Total is going to come as 95. 7 to 9, 3 to 5. So exactly it is going to come as, the probability is going to come as 95 by 200. That's it. 95 by 200. 95 by 200. Okay, 95 by 200, and if you will cancel it, you will be getting the answer. Now I was talking about cards. I told you how many types of cards are there, how many types of cards are there. So one quick review of card I am going to give. Okay, quick review of card I am going to give. I never played card, but card playing is very, very important for teaching probability. So what is exactly there is, total 52 cards are there. Now in this 52 cards, how many cards are what? So exactly out of 52 cards, 1 card is red card. You know now, well shuffled pack of 52 cards, those who are playing cards, they know that 52 cards are there. In maths also cards are there. So 52 cards total will be there. In that 26 red cards are there. If you will see the card now, you will be seeing that 26 red card will be there. In that, heart will be there and diamond will be there. They are red cards. Heart and diamond. So heart, total 13 hearts are there. Total 13 diamonds are there. Okay. In that in that heart, king is there, queen is there, jack is there, ace is there, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 13 cards are there. Total 13 cards. In that heart is exactly 13. Now heart is 13 and they are called as red cards. So total how many red cards are there? Total how many? Yes. Clumps. Hey, I don't know about clumps and all, yeah. I only know what clubs, clumps, I don't know about it. If don't, ma'am, when class start for 10th? Just I'm going to start. I'm just going to start. Just give me 5 minutes to start. 5 minutes to start. I'm just teaching one concept. The moment it will be over, I'll be teaching. I'll start class 10th. Okay. Now next is exactly going to be, I think what it is called as, I don't know, but it is a tree. Okay, spade and club. And which one is spade and which one is club, you decide. I don't know. So those who are playing cards, they are knowing, but I know the figures. So exactly these two are there, but they are called as black cards. So 13, 13 black cards are there. So exactly heart, diamond comes in the red part, and spade and club, yeah, spade and club will be coming in the black part. So 26 red cards, 26 black cards. So now king, king, queen, queen, jack, jack, ace, ace, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So total 52 cards are over. That means out of 52 cards, 13 cards are heart, 13 diamond, 13 spade, 13 club. Okay. So total 52 cards are there. Total how many cards are there? Total 52 cards are there. I know this much, and then mathematical questions are there. Now in this faces are there. So K, Q, J, that means king, queen and jack. King, queen and jack, king, queen and jack, king, queen and jack, king, queen and jack. They are exactly called as face cards. What they are called as? Face cards. So since they have face on their, yeah. Thank you, Mridul. So they are exactly called as face cards. What they are called as? They are called as face cards. What they are called as? They are calling it as beta face cards. So number cards. So if somebody will be asking you which cards are exactly called as number cards, then these are number cards. Okay. Now sometimes they will be asking you that what is the probability of getting a red king? What is the probability of getting a red king? So how many red king is there? So how many red king is there? So you know that in king part, 2 red kings are there. So total out of 52 cards, 2 kings and that 2 red. So probability of getting 2 red king is 2 by 52. Probability of getting 2 red king is 2 by 52. Probability of getting 2 red king is, yeah, Tanishka, I'm going to start the class here. Fine. So class 9th, I'm going to keep it till here because I'm having another class beta. Okay. 1 by 26, yes, 2 by 52 is 1 by 26. I am having an important class right now. So I am going to keep it till here. Tomorrow probability I am going to teach very nicely. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's time. Darshini, bye beta, bye everyone. I have to start another class. Fine. So much excited class 10th, huh? To study biology.